take into consideration your height and your tool's height. So if your table saw is, for example, larger than a portable DeWalt table saw, you may need to cut these down. Also too, if you're a little bit on the shorter side, you may want to cut the legs down as well. Super simple. To cut the legs, all you will need is some way to scribe. So for example, I have the FastCap AccuScribe here. What you want to do is you want to scribe a line on the inside of the sawhorses because that's what you're going to cut. And all I did is I took my tape measure, measured how much tool height was different with my table saw. I take my AccuScribe, set it to 1 inch, and then I just scribe a line all the way across the bottom. It's really important too, as you're doing all of your measuring, just consider the height of these as well. Take a track saw, circular saw, rip the line. I like to sneak up to the line, maybe cut just on the outside and then get it dialed in to where I want it, just so I know everything is perfect. But if you feel really confident and you want to go for it, set up your track saw and just rip it. So chances are, once you've cut it, you're gonna lose that pocket or a portion of that pocket, and that's okay. You've got plenty of room. You can go to the inside of it, put your little foot in there. If you're higher, you can just set it there. It's got a little bit of adhesive and screw, and you can screw it in and you're good to go.